Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Last week I made a video about two viral niches that are blowing up right now that are like really easy for you to start creating videos and create a team page on that particular style. I saw a couple of other channels that were doing the same style of videos and they were actually doing really great, and I decided to make this video to show you how you can go about creating these styles of video. And I'm going to show you this new channel and I'm going to show you how they actually make money. It is absolutely insane how easy videos like this can be created. You don't even have to stress. You can do this like every day. They make a ton of money. Like for example, this new account that I found, they have about one close to 200,000 followers on Instagram, and what they just do is post still images or videos that they generated with AI. And it's like these videos are actually really simple to make, and anyone can make these kinds of videos, and anyone can start making money with these niches. If I click on their link here on their bio, it will take me to, if I click on the link on their bio, it will take me to the website. Now, the way they make money is they are selling prints on demand. They're selling prints and they're selling clothes. They're selling print on them demand. I've made a video about how you can start going about creating clothing, a new clothing brand, or phone cases, accessories, whatever you want to start creating with AI generated images. And these are some of the ways that they actually make money with using AI generated images. You can see the same images that are here are actually the same images that are available on their Instagram page. They are just using the same images to create either a wall frame or some print on demand posters and print on demand t-shirts. And this, they are making a ton of money from just promoting affiliate products like this or products like this on their actual page. This is something that anyone could do. If I click on any of these videos here, you can see these are really simple videos. Really simple videos. These are just AI generated videos. There's literally nothing to do. You just have to create an image and use any of the video generators like I'll show you here, and you can have a page like this. You can start growing a page like this. It is like super easy to create an account like this, and these people, they make a ton of money. If I go over to the other account, which we talked about in the previous video, which is Phantasmial. I'm just going to search Phantasmial. You can see how simple their videos are. Just simple still videos, and they're making a lot of money. Now the way this Phantasmial, the way they make money is through the main way they actually make money is through this therapy that they're actually selling on their page. Now this therapy is worth $160, and anyone that decides to subscribe or pay for this therapy or purchase a supplement from the website or whatever, they're going to get $50 out of this. And someone asked me how can somebody make $4,000 from doing this? Now, if you have some sort of following, or if you have like 200,000 followers on Instagram like this, $50, or you get $50 from that 200,000 followers you have, then that's like a whole lot of money, because 4,000 is like really easy to reach if you have built such a following for yourself. And that's what these pages, they're actually leveraging, selling affiliate products like this. And you can get affiliate products like this on ClickBank. Now ClickBank is somewhere where you can just go for whatever niche that you're into. If you're into health, travel, meditation, which is like mindfulness and religious stuff, you can just go here and search for any product to promote on your page. You don't have to do anything. You just click on affiliates and you look for what is in tune with the style of videos or the style of content you produce, and you just look for a product that you can sell. And most of these products, they get like, the affiliate commissions are like really huge. It's not like something like Amazon, sometimes you could get up to $100 per person, per customer. And this is how accounts like this, they make a lot of money from just having a theme page like this. Now I'll just start showing you how you can start creating videos like this. So for example, I generated some images in this same style with Haiper AI and also Piclumen. In the last video, I told you how you can use Piclumen to create images like this and animate them using Vivago AI. And it's the same process, but today we're using Haiper AI and also Vivago AI. So you can see how easy this is. You can just go over to Haiper AI and you can just click here, text to image. You can generate whatever image I created. I posted the prompt and it generated images like this for me. You can see how amazing these images are, and this is exactly the same style of images that these accounts they actually use to create their videos. You can see these images are just really good images. They are really nice images, and Haiper AI also has the ability to create videos from images. So you can use their image to video capability or their text to image text to video capability, whatever you want to use is up to you. So you can see this is a video that I made. It took me like 10 seconds to create this video. That's how simple it is, and these kinds of videos are making a whole lot of money. You just have to be consistent on social media. You can post this on Instagram, TikTok, wherever. This is where these accounts are blowing up. You can see how simple this video is to make. I generated a bunch of them. You can still use Vivago. I generated this video with Vivago. You can see this is Vivago. You can see how amazing this video looks. This looks stunning, and you can start creating videos like this easily for free. These are all free platforms. I'm not actually using Gen 2, Gen 3 or Dream Machine. I'm actually using free platforms. This Vivago is free for you to use. Haiper AI is free for you to use. I generated a bunch of videos. You can see a whole lot of videos, and that's how simple it is. I also used Piclumen to create images like this. You can just paste in the prompt. If you want the prompt, I'll leave the prompts for you so you can just use the prompts to create your own video. But this is just like a simple walkthrough of how you can start creating theme pages like this, and this works for different other niches. There are a ton of other niches. There's anime, there's Bible kinds of videos. There's like, you can create stories like that using this AI generations, and this is like super easy to make. You can see this page, they have 318,000 followers on Instagram. This one, they have 187,000, and they get millions of views. Millions of views. You can see right here, they get like a lot of views. It is insane how easy this is. It is insane. If you're not taking advantage of this opportunity, then you're probably just sleeping. These are like really easy videos to create. You can see some of the generations I got. You can see how easy videos like this are to make. You don't have to stress. You don't have to go edit anything. You just let AI do all the work for you. So that's it for this video. If you want to see my other video about how I go about creating similar videos and other niches, I'll leave that video in the description so you can watch it. I just dropped that like about a week ago, and that's about it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.